The gatekeeper of greatness. How to shape pain into purpose. There is a gatekeeper standing between you and your destiny. It doesn't carry a key, it carries a lesson. Its name, pain. I'm going to show you how to not just face it, but to use it. Every great person who ever lived, every legend, every champion, every word changer had one thing in common. They didn't avoid pain, they transformed it because pain is not your enemy, it's the gatekeeper of your destiny. You want to know what separates the ordinary people from the extraordinary. It is not the talent, it's not luck, it's how they wear their pain. The sleepless nights, the rejections, the sacrifices, those are not your wants. They are your badges of honor. Every tear you have cried, a medal. Every failure, a strip of courage. Every time you got back up when the world said, stay down. That's the shine on your armor. You think champions are born? No, they are forged in the fire of their own grit. So stop apologizing for your struggles, wear them with pride, because that pain, it's proof you didn't quit. Proof you are still in the fight. Proof you are worthy of the dream you are chasing. The next time pain knocks on your door, don't flinch. Look it in the eye and say, welcome. I have been expecting you. Then turn it into fuel, into power, into your legacy. So the first step is accept the pain. Stop running. Every time you have ever tried to numb it, ignore it, or escape it, you have handed your power away. Pain is data, it's showing you where you need to grow. The athlete, their muscles scream to get stronger. The entrepreneur, their failures teach them strategies. The artist, their rejections fuel their mastering. Your pain is a map. Will you read it? So embrace the pain. Now we go deeper. Embracing pain means looking it in the eye and saying, what are you here to teach me? Because pain has layers. The burn of discipline, that's your laziness dying. The sting of rejection, that's your ego being refined. The weight of responsibility, that's your character being forged. The greatest people in history didn't just endure pain, they invited it because they knew no struggle, no strength, no friction, no fire. When you got a pain, your action should be smile at the pain. This is where magic happens. When you can look at the struggle and smile, you have taken its power. That smile says, I see you and I know what comes after you. The famous Hollywood actor Arnold smiled through muscle tears. Oprah smiled through poverty. Cobb smiled at 4 a.m. workouts. Why? Because they knew pain is temporary. But quitting lasts forever. Pain is the gatekeeper. Here is the truth no one tells you. If your dream were easy, everyone would achieve it. The pain is the test. It's asking, how badly do you want this? Will you stay when others leave? Are you willing to pay the price? Every no, every setback, every sleepless night, they are not blocking your path. They are the path. So here is your choice. Let pain breaks you or let it make you. Take that frustration and channel it into focus. Take that heartbreak and turn it into hustle. Take that fear and forget it into faith. The gatekeeper stands before you. Once you are ready to face your pain, you become the stronger version of yourself, the wiser and unstoppable.